Well, we woke up to snow this morning, and it was freezing outside with snow piling up everywhere. But chores still need to be done, so it was off to go and let the animals out and get them fed. Bam Bam is not a fan of the snow. He came out, said hi, and went back in his sheep shed. Then it was time to get some food ready for the chickens, so got some things ground up for them and added in a few little extra goodies with some garlic, cayenne pepper, and some flaxseed. Then took it out to the chickens and they love it. It turned out to be a really nice day with the sun coming out this afternoon. The cabin has got icicles and it was just beautiful.